Welcome to 1X Technologies Cable Company. We're here because you require quality quickly. We're a leading United States electrical cable manufacturer headquartered in beautiful Wyoming, USA, serving a broad and diverse customer base around the world. We excel in supplying you with advanced, top-of-the-line cables fast. Yes, we have the rarest products in stock, but our manufacturing speed and flexibility is truly your secret weapon. When you need a cable that's not in stock, we can make it rapidly, as fast as 24 hours from your order placement. We consistently deliver made-to-order cables faster than others can ship from stock. Pretty amazing, right? Think of 1X Technologies when you need American-made high-temperature wires, custom cables, huge extra-large copper power cables, and so much more. Are you working on anything we can help you with today? Remember, when your project needs a hero, call 888-651-9990.